Hello, my name is Luis Vinson. I am 22 years old and I'm from Indonesia. And now I'm doing internship in Apicius, Paris. It's a one-star Michelin restaurant. I study in Switzerland. It's from Cisaritz College. My typical day when I come here, the shift, if it starts at 11, I will come here before 11 and I will start to prepare the mise en place in the bus, in the office, and I will prepare the needs for the station and checking all the cutleries and all the needs for the service beginning. Some skills that I learned from this place, I feel like it's the communication, since I need to learn French and to communicate with all the colleagues with French and with the kitchen team in French. And I learn more like the organization from this place, like how we work, how we manage things. I think that's what I learned from this place. I have two actually, and his name is Sasha. And the first time I came here is like he slowly introduced me to the place and like how he works, and he have a good experience, and it's a very good communication between me and him. And I have one more, it's like he's from Ukraine, he's Vasil, he's my colleague, and we most likely we do all the teamwork like very nice, and I'm very happy with that. School, since I saw the brochure in the school and I tried to ask to my internship teacher, and then I'm here. Highly recommend talent developers, since if you are interested to work in France or to study or having internship in France, especially in Paris maybe, and especially in the hospitality industry, I think it will be helpful for you.